How to clean the lungs after smoking. In this video we'll tell you how to safely remove mucus and tar from your lungs using safe and simple recipes. Recipes will help to improve the well-being of those who have already quit addiction, and smokers who are worried about health. 1. Oatmeal peeling. Pour 1 cup of oat grains with 0.5 liters of fresh milk and bring to a boil. After that, evaporate to half the volume, stirring over low heat. As a result, you should get about half a glass of light brown gruel. This drink should be drunk little warm. Take half a cup of oatmeal 3 times a day 30 minutes before meals. After about 5 to 7 days, the lungs will begin to cleanse. At this time, shortness of breath and cough may bother you, and green or gray sputum may form in the form of dense clots. 2. A decoction of oregano and violets. This decoction is able to stimulate the ciliary epithelium, which is located in the respiratory tract. Recipe: 1 tablespoon of tricolor violet and 1 tablespoon of oregano must be filled with 0.5 liters of boiling water and insisted for about an hour, covering the mixture with a towel. Use this infusion warm 2 to 3 times a day, without adding sugar to it. If you regularly drink a decoction such as tea throughout the day, the lungs will be cleansed of tar and sputum without expectorant effect. 3. Inhalation. For inhalation, essential oils such as pine, marjoram and eucalyptus can be used. How to do inhalation. Pour purified water into an enameled pan and put on gas. After boiling water, screw the burner over low heat and pour 1 teaspoon of essential oil into the pan, then cover your head with a towel and, bending over the aromatic water, breathe steam for 5 to 10 minutes. You only need to breathe through the mouth slowly, trying to make as complete exhalations and breaths as possible. The course lasts from 1 to 2 weeks daily. It is best to do inhalations before bedtime, so that immediately after the procedure go to bed to rest in a warm bed. 4. Milk. To get rid of mucus in the lungs, traditional medicine advises drinking warm milk before bedtime. To enhance the effect in milk, you can add a teaspoon of liquid honey or a drop of coniferous essential oil.